Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the cabinet roller axle in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a socket wrench with 3/8 and 1/2-inch sockets, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new cabinet roller axle and the clip that can be used in certain models. There are 4 axles, one for each roller, used in this refrigerator. Those axles hold the rollers in place, allowing the fridge to be easily pulled out and pushed back in when necessary. If one or more rollers won't move, check and replace the cabinet roller axle if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. So when we open the door, we can see this toe grill, and this is the filter knob. Now I'm going to remove the filter. I'm going to grab that knob and turn it counterclockwise. And I'm going to pull it out. Be careful. There's a water inside, so just lift it up. Next I'm going to remove the grill and just pull it off. Alright, next we need to take out these top screws. They are 3/8 of an inch, so I'm using a socket wrench. 3/8. I'm going to take them out. Now I'm going to take out the bottom screws, which are 1/2 inch, and I'm using the 1/2 inch socket wrench. Next, we're going to the rear of the fridge and continue replacement of this part. So we are at the back of the fridge, and to get to the part, we need to remove this rear access panel. We have a few 1/4-inch screws holding it in place, and I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to slide out the power cord and open that panel here. Next step is to take out these 2 bolts, one in each corner at the bottom. They are 1/2 inch. I'm using a 1/2 inch socket wrench. I'm going to take them out. So we're going to lift up the cabinet to drop down the base so we can have access to the part. To do that, I will use 2x4s. I'm going to place that 2x4 about 3 to 4 inches away from the corner, and very slowly lift up on this side. And I'm going to slide that in for about 1 inch, no more than that. Then we'll go to the opposite side. And right there, I'm going to put this piece of wood, lift up on the fridge. Don't get excited. Make sure that nothing is really loose inside the fridge when you're doing that. Alright, so we have an access now. So this is a very important safety note for you, ladies and gentlemen. No matter what you do not place your fingers or arm into this gap between the base and the cabinet. And also, do not touch this wooden block. So next I'm going to lift up on the base just a little bit. Don't have to really break it back. And I'm going to slide out the cabinet roller axle. And I'm going to quickly pull it out. This is the old cabinet roller axle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new axle, we need to first align the
holes here, the roller, and 2 holes. And I'm going to slide in this axle. Now I need to lift up on the base just a little bit. And slide this axle all the way in.
The opposite side axle is replaced exactly the same way. Now I'm going to remove the wooden blocks from both sides and lower down the fridge slowly.
Now we need to pull the base back for about from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Just like that. And then we're going to go to the front and continue the work.
All right, so if you are planning to replace this side axle, we need to lift up on this side and put down this 4x4 wooden block. If it's opposite side or you're replacing both of them at the same time, then we need to go to the opposite side and do the same thing. I'm going to place it right here and lift up on the fridge slowly, and I'm going to slide in that 4x4. Don't go far, about 1 inch at the most, and lower it down. All right, so this is the axle that we are replacing. It goes all the way through. You can see it on the opposite side sticking out. So we're going to use the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to catch it right there and pry it out. Now I'm going to install the new axle. I'm going to slide it in, align the holes so you can see through, and slide it in. And now I'm going to lift up again on the side slightly. We're going to remove the wooden block out of the way and lower down the fridge. Next, we need to go to the back, slide the base forward. All right. And now we're going to attach the base to the cabinet with these 2 1/2-inch screws, 1 on each side. And I'm going to tighten them with a 1/2-inch socket wrench. Now I'm going to slide underneath the this cardboard panel. That's our rear access panel. Lift it up slightly, put it under. Next, we're going to lift up the rear access panel and slide the power cord into this slot here. And now we're going to secure the panel with the 1/4-inch screws and match the holes. Now I'm going to match the holes, make sure that are matched. They are matched. In our case, it's just on target. So I'm going to install the bottom 1/2-inch screws first. I'm going to do manually a couple of turns. And I'm going to use the 1/2-inch socket wrench to tighten them. And now I'm going to install the top screws, the 3/8 ones. And I'm going to use the 3/8 socket wrench. We're going to adjust the rollers, adjust the height of the front of the refrigerator. Okay. Now I'm going to install these, the grill and the water filter. Now I'm going to install this grill. We're going to clip it on. There's 2 pins here that goes into this 2 holes on the side. Okay, that goes first, and then I'm gonna clip this on. Okay, now we're gonna install the water filter back in, slide it in, and push it in and turn it up clockwise. Now we're all done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.